Hello everyone. Today we'll learn Scala Hello World program using Eclipse. Okay, so the first step what I'll do is we'll install Scala IDE on Eclipse. Okay, so as you can see from Eclipse Marketplace, I will search. I'm searching for Scala IDE. So once we enter Scala, we'll get the Scala IDE here. So as you can see, this is Scala IDE 4.7. So it's already installed. So I'll just try to update it. So in your machine, if it is not there, it will show an option of install. So you install the Scala IDE first. Then you restart Eclipse so that the Scala IDE and preferences come in your machine. So after that you have to go to the perspective and select Scala's perspective. So this now opens Scala's perspective. Now we'll do a Scala project. Okay, so I am giving a Scala name of the project. This is Scala test, and here we have used Java SE 1.8, that is our JDK. Okay, since as you all know that Scala runs on top of JVM, so we need the JDK. Okay, now I will create a package for the Scala program. So you should always do it in a package. That is a good practice for programming. Okay, so on the back I'm created a package called com.scala.me. Now I'll create an object. So here in Scala you can directly create an object, and the object will not require a main method to execute a program. So I'm giving that object name as scala.test, that is test app. Okay, now I'll save it. Okay, so our object is created. Now I'll just to run it without the main, we have to extend the app. So app is a default program which helps us to execute the main method of Scala program. So by this we don't have to write main method to execute a program. And now I am giving a print statement. So here is our print statement. So when we'll run, we'll get this message in the console. So now run as, and Scala application will come and you hit click. So I'm saving it. Okay, so our program is saved. And as you can see in the console, we have that our message hello. So this is simple. So